Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Anso here. This time, we will be seeing the fourth part of tables in MS Word. I promised you that I will be showing you how to do these things on the system, right? This video is basically as a demo to understand what we have studied in the last three parts. Please go through these carefully and try it at home. Today, I would like to show you how to do tables in MS Word. I have already opened an MS Word document here, and what I'm going to do first is how to insert a table. I'm just going to type inserting a table. Okay, the first step to insert a table is you have to go to the Insert tab. Can you see here? You have to click on the Insert tab. From the Insert tab, can you see Tables group here? In that, this is for the grid method. There are different ways available. You can do it in two ways. Either you can use the grid method to do it. I'm going to make a 5 by 3 or 5 by 4 table. A 5 by 4 table. So, this is the first column. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to click on it. See, it's as simple as that. The table has already been inserted in your Word document. Okay? This is type 1. What I have demonstrated now is the grid method. It's very simple. One more time. I'll just click here. This is the place where I want the new table. So I'm just clicking here. I'm again going to insert. Table option is here. Click on it. 5 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in the last square, you just need to click. See, your table is ready down. Okay, the second method to do it is through the normal means. Again, I'm going to write inserting a table through normal means, okay, not through the grid method. I'm again going to click on insert. Look at the side arrow here. Click on it, and then there's an option called insert table. I'm going to click on it. See, the number of columns and number of rows is given here. If I want a 5 by 4, I will just give 5 here. You can just click the up arrow to increase the numbers and the down arrow to decrease the numbers. These are called spin boxes. Spin boxes. So if I need 5 by 4, I will put 5 here and I can increase the number to 4, and we'll give the width as auto for now, and I will just give OK. See, the same table has come down. Okay, one more time. First thing you have to do is place your cursor in the correct position. Insert, side arrow key, insert table. Here I need 5 by 4, right? I'm increase the number to 4. Press OK. See, you got another table down. This is the method for inserting a table in MS Word. There are two ways. One is through grid method and the other is through inserting a table through giving the number of rows and columns. Now I would like to show you how to delete a table. I have 4 tables listed here, and I would like to delete a few tables as well as a part of a few tables. The first thing that you have to do is you have to click on the column where you want to start, then use your cursor. You have to select the whole area like this. Then when you select it, can you find a layout tab like this in your system? Click on the layout. In that, you have a delete option. Click on the delete. Here there are 4 options: delete cells, delete columns, delete rows, or delete the table. The first thing I'm going to show is how to delete the table. So I just need to click on this. See, the table has disappeared. The first step is, I'm going to show you one more time. You need to select the whole table you want to delete. Again, go to the layout tab. Here, delete option, delete table. This is how you delete tables in MS Word. Sometimes when we create a table in MS Word, you might see that there will be extra rows or columns. Then you can delete those also if you want. For example, here I have a 5 by 4 table, right? I need only 5 by 3. That is, I don't want the last row. So what should I do? I have to select the last row like this. Okay, then again I'll go to the layout. It's already open. I'm going to the layout. In the delete option, I'm going to go for the delete rows. See, now it has become a 5 by 3 table. Okay, a similar thing can be done for a column also. For that purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into a 4 by 4 table. I'm going to select this column downwards. I can do it here or anywhere I like. There's no problem. From the layout tab, I'm going to click the delete option. In that, I'm going to select delete columns. Can you see now? There are only 4 columns. Just to clear your doubts, I'm going to put this. I can delete this one also. There's no harm in it. So I'm going to select that. Delete columns. So this is how you do deleting a table in MS Word. There are other simpler ways also for deleting. One easy way I would like to show you is select the whole table like this and just press your delete button from your keyboard. The whole thing goes as it is. You don't need to go through these steps. If you want, you can just select it and delete it. This can be done in the case for a single row too or a column too. Just select it, press delete. Then they will ask you something like this. Do you want to shift the cells up or cells down, or delete the entire row or delete the entire column up? Here what I want to do is I want to delete the entire row. So I'm going to click on this and OK. See, my row has disappeared. Similar thing can be done in the case of a column too. I'm again selecting, I'm pressing the delete button. See, it is gone. For columns, it can be done very easily. For rows, they will ask you a question. You need to click on the required one. Now I would like to show you how to enter data in a table. The first step is you have to make a table like this, which I have shown you just before. Then you have to click on the first column here. This row is basically meant to give the headings that you require. So I'm going to just write serial number, name of student, can you see my row expanding as per requirements? Sometimes it does not. In those cases, we have to make certain adjustments, which I'll tell you later. Now, here I'm having science, social science, and mathematics. So I'm just giving it like this. And please understand, you can move across the tables like this with the help of arrow keys in your keyboard, or alternatively you can click also like this. Either you can use the arrow keys by clicking to the next column, or you can use your cursor to move among the columns. Okay, I'm going to give 1 with the down arrow. I'm going to press, and then 2, 3 and 4 like this. Okay, and even if I want to resize these tables, it is possible. Can you see me holding here? You have to look across the border here, click on it, move to the side. See, I have adjusted the border according to my requirements, and in this also I can make further modification. I can select these things, and can you see the center option? I'm going to click on it. See, my 1, 2, 3, 4 came in the middle. Here I'm going to give the names of 4 students. I would like to add an Akash. Then I will have a Deepa, Meena, and then Padma. Any names. And I'm going to add marks for this. I'm just navigating between the table to show you it is possible. You can add words, you can add numbers. That is, alphanumeric characters can be entered in this table. It can be either be alphabets or numerals. So I'm going to add the marks. Say it's out of 50, I'm going to give 35. Again, I'm moving downwards, 32, 45, 49, Then here I can give 46. See, I have completed my table. Now, in order to make this table more presentable, you can do a lot of things in it. The first step what you need to do is, you have this like this, right? You can select the first row completely like this. Then there is a bolding option here on the top. B stands for bolding. You can click on the bold. See, it has become highlighted. So it is more clear to you. Now, you can again select this. You can change the color of it if you want. See, if I want it in a reddish theme, I can make it into red. Okay, it depends on what is your choice. These are simple things that you can try out by yourself. If you want, you can change it from red to another color which you like. Say bluish. I've gone for blue. Okay, now in this again you can fill the whole table cut with any of these colors. So if you want, you can select the whole thing like this. Then you can fill it with the color of your choice. If I want a light color, see, I can do it like this. You can also fill it if needed, no problem. Okay, these are simple things in how to insert data in a table. Now I would like to show you how to add a picture to a cell. That is very simple. The first thing that you have to do is you have to click the cell that you require. I'm going to click on this like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, you have to look for the insert tab. Insert, can you see the pictures option here? Okay, so you can click on the side arrow here. I'm going to click on the side arrow. It will ask you whether you want to insert a picture from the photo browser or picture from a file. Mostly you select pictures from file because it will be already stored in your system. For now, I'm going to show you the online picture facility in this. So I'm going to click on online pictures. The picture selections comes in that I can include anything that I like. So let's go for something like this beach. Okay, I'm going to select this picture and I'm going to press insert. Can you see this being inserted? Now, if you look closely, you see that the table size has shrunk because the size of the picture is more. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on the picture. I'm going to reduce the size of the picture to meet my requirements. I'm going to make it more smaller like this. See, the picture is inserted in the table. Again, you can try it in another way. I'm going to click on this column. You have to always click on the column that you want to insert the picture. Go to insert. In that there is pictures option. Side arrow I have to click. I'm going for online pictures once more. And I need a bird's picture this time. See, let's go for this beautiful one. See, the first step is you delete this writing because it's not needed. Now reduce the size to fit it. See, your bird is already inside the respective cell. This is how you insert pictures in a cell. Now let me show you how to insert rows and columns in a table. It is very simple. We already deleted row wise, but I didn't show you how to insert, right? So what I'm going to do is, I want to insert a column just to the left of this. So here I'm going to select the whole column downwards like this. Okay, now I'm going to the layout. Can you see the options here? Insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right. If I want a column to the left, I will click here. Can you see an additional column has been formed? And from this, if I want one to the right, I just need to click again on insert right. See? Now can you see that the table is automatically adjusting its width as the number of columns are appearing, right? Yes. Now I'm going to show you how to delete also in the same option. First thing is, you will delete. You can do it from here. You can do it here, anywhere. You can select anyone. I'm going to select the whole column. Now here, if I want to delete it, I just go to delete columns. See, my column is deleted. Again, I can select one more. Here, I'll select this one. Again, delete columns. See, now I have a 5 by 4. Okay. And do you know that you can drag it and make it bigger like this? That also you should learn. You just need to click on the small square on the side and drag it. See, it's becoming bigger, right? Now, what is this for? This is to move it from one place to another. See, I'm moving it down. I can move it up as per my requirements. This icon is basically moving the table up or down. Can you see this? I'm bringing it up like this. This also you should understand. Now let me show you how to split and merge cells in MS Word. I told you you can split a cell into two or more cells, and you can also join adjacent cells together to make a single cell, right? Joining the cells is called merging and making it into two is called splitting. So let's try it. Now I have written two headings here, serial number and name of student. Next, I want to split these cells into two so that it is easy for me to write subjects as a heading on the top as well as the name of the subjects in the bottom. So first step what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these three together. Okay, when I select, the layout tab and table design appears. I will just go to the layout tab, click on it. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it into two halves. So I'm going to go to split cells. You got two spin boxes. I need to convert these three into 6 cells, right? Here in this, I am going to work on 3 columns. So I'm going to make it 3, okay? And I need to convert it into 2 rows. So I'm going to make it into 2 here and click OK. See, the single cells here have been divided. These 3 cells have been divided into 2. My intention is to give a common heading. This is called splitting of cells. The next is I want to give a heading for this. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to merge it this time. I'm going for the merge option in the layout tab. Clicking on merge. See what happens? The 3 cells have become a single cell. It is used for merging adjacent cells. I have merged 3 cells together. Here I'm going to give the heading as subjects. Okay, here I'm going to give as science, social science, and mathematics. This is more easier to understand. Now, I have selected this. I can centralize it. So I'm going to home. To make it more beautiful, I'm just going to click the centralize button or center button and see it comes to the center. This is more easier to understand, right? So these possibilities are also there in tables in MS Word. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Please go through these things and try it at home. Thank you.